Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to fix a little bug in our emoji text field, and let me start by showing you the bug. So if I'm writing a long text, you will see that my emoji text field is growing horizontally, making me unable to click on the send button. So let's fix this bug. To fix it, it's very easy. We need to go to our emoji text field, and the most important thing is we need to specify the width constraint to the current width of the text field. So we will use a variable called intrinsic content size. Okay, apologize. Okay, intrinsic content size, it's of type CG size. And first thing, we will specify the size. So let size will be self dot size that fits. And as you see, it asks the view to calculate and return the size that best fits in the specified size. And here we will give it a CG size with width and height. And for the width, like I said, we want to specify the width constraint to the current width. So I will give it self.bounds.width. In other words, I'm giving it the current width of the text field. And for the height, I wanted to calculate the optimal height for our current width. So I will give it dot greatest finite magnitude. And from there I will return the size, so return CG size. And like I said, the most important step to get rid of this bug is to specify the width constraint to the current width of a text field. So we need to give it self.bounds.width, and we will give it the height that we just calculated, so size.height. And that should be all you need to fix this issue. So if I run now, hopefully everything will be working perfectly. Okay, so if I go here and I start writing, as you can see, it is not growing horizontally. It's perfect the way I want it. Okay, perfect. So that's all for today's video, and that's all for the overall tutorial series. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial series. Hopefully now I will start working on a new tutorial series. In the meantime, as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.